If you are looking for a profitable business ideas that can strive in rural villages or areas in 2024, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will share the top 5 business ideas that can bring success and make a positive impact in village communities. Let's get started. Number 1. Snail farming. Snail farming is considered as one of the most profitable business, and it is a very high growing industry with high demand, especially in urban areas where snail meat is considered a delicacy. It is relatively easy to start with minimal space, and the snail can be sold for fresh or processed. You can start the business with as little as 20,000 naira. With proper care, snail farming can become a highly profitable venture, providing a steady income for rural entrepreneurs. Number 2, beekeeping. As we all know, beekeeping is a highly profitable and eco-friendly business idea. You can harvest honey, beeswax, and even bee pollen, which all have high demand in both local and urban markets. In addition, producing valuable products, bees are essential for pollinating crops, making this business beneficial for the environment as well. Plus, it requires relatively low startup costs. Number 3, palm oil business. Palm oil business is one of the most widely used oil globally, found in foods, cosmetics, and cleaning industry. If you have access to fertile land in a tropical area, starting a palm oil business can be extremely profitable. From growing the trees to processing the oil, this business has huge growth potential. You can supply oil to local markets or partner with larger companies for wider distribution. Number 4, handmade craft business. Handmade craft business. Villages are often home to talented artisans. Starting a handmade craft business allows you to promote traditional skills while selling unique products like poetry, wooden crafts, textiles, and baskets. These can be sold at fairs, marketplace, or even online to reach a broader audience. Number 5, which is the last but not the least, poultry farming is a highly lucrative business idea for rural areas. As we all know, raising chickens for eggs and meat can generate a steady income. With the growing demand for organic and free-range poultry, this business can quickly expand with the right investment and care. In conclusion, these are just few of many profitable business opportunities in villages.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.